Hello and welcome to another edition of Brain Maths. In this video, we want to solve quadratic equations by formula method. Don't forget, in our previous lesson, we tried to derive the formula that is also known as the almighty formula. So we'll be using that formula to solve these two problems on the board. The first one says 2x squared plus 7x minus 5 equals 0. Don't forget that our x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in question number 1, 2x squared plus 7x minus 5 equals 0. A is 2, B equals plus 7, and C equals minus 5. Don't forget that you have to write the sign in front of each of these factors. So substituting all of these into the almighty formula, so we have minus b, our b is positive 7, plus or minus square root of b squared. What is our b again? 7 squared minus 4 times our a is 2 and our c is minus 5. Everything divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So simplifying this, we have minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared is 49, minus and minus plus 4 times 2, 8, and 8 times 5 is 40. All divided by 2 times 2, 4. So taking this, we have minus 7, x equals minus 7 plus or minus 49 plus 40. That is going to give us square root of 89 all over 4. So we are going to be having two different solutions, one for positive and one for negative. So we have x equals minus 7 plus root 89 over 4, or minus 7 minus root 89 over 4. So the square root of 89, equals 9.43. So the square root of 89 will be replaced with 9.43 plus 9.43 over 4, or minus 7 minus 9.43 over 4. So therefore, our x from this side, minus 7 plus this, will give us 2.43 over 4, or minus 7 minus 9.43 will give us minus 16.43 over 4. So our x, how many 4 can we get in 2? That is impossible. We write 0.4 in 24. That is 6. Remainder nothing. And 4 in 3, 0. Add 0 to the 3. That will give us 30. 4 in 30, that is 7. Remainder 2. So we have x equals to 0.6075, or how many 4 can we get in minus 16? That is minus 4. 0.4 in 4, 1. 4 in 3, 0. When you add 0 to that, it becomes 30. 4 in 30, that is 7. 28, remainder 2. 4 in 25. So our answer for question number 1 is x equals 0.6075 or minus 4.1075. So taking question number 2. Question number 2 is t squared minus 2t minus 5 equals 0. So in this case, when you are writing the formula for the quadratic equation, you will not need to put x, then you write t. T in this case will be equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our A for question number 2 is 1. Since there is no coefficient of x squared, but we have an invisible 1, our B will be -2, and our C is also the constant, which is -5. So substituting all these parameters into that equation, so we have T equals minus B. You first write the negative. B itself is -2, plus or minus square root of B squared, that is -2 squared, minus 4 times our A is 1 and our C is -5, all over 2 times A, which is what? 1. So let's try to simplify this. 3t is going to give us minus times minus positive, that is 2, plus or minus square root of -2 times -2, that is another 4, positive, minus times minus, this is going to give us another positive, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 5, 20, all divided by 2 times 1, 2. So don't forget that we'll be writing two answers, one for positive, one for negative. 4 plus 20, that is going to give us 24 over 2. So our answer will be in this format: 2 plus root 24 over 2, or 2 minus root 24 all over 2. So what is the square root of 24? The square root of 24 is 4.899. So our T is going to be 2 plus 4.899 over 2, or 2 minus 4.899 all over 2. So T here will be 2 plus that is 6.899 over 2, or 2 minus 4.899, that's going to give us minus 2.899 all over 2. So when you divide this by 2, so T is going to be how many? 6. 2 in 6, that is 3. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 9, 4 remainder 1. 2 in 19, that is 9 remainder 1. And if you add 0 to that one, this is going to give you 10, and 2 in 10 is 5. Or how many? 2 in -2, that is -1 point. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 9, 4 remainder 1. In 19, as we have done for this, that is 9 remainder 1. And in 10, it's going to give us 5. You may try to approximate it. Let's try to approximate this to 1 decimal. So 1 decimal is these numbers here. So you look at the number beside the decimal. The first one here is 4. We are going to round it down. So it is going to be 0. This will be 3.4, or minus 1 point. If you round this down as well, it's going to be 0, and that is going to give us 1.4 as well. I'm going to leave you with this question. Try to solve this using the formula method. Solve it to the best of your ability and leave your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And until I come your way next time, do have a blessed day. Thank you.